For years, I tied the knot my dad taught me as a kid, fishing for trout in Colorado and Wyoming, the Improved Clinch Knot. And honestly, that's the knot that slipped and failed me the most. I started using the Palomar knot offshore fishing in Texas, rigging up heavy swivels and hooks. It's a strong knot, but it bunches up and the line doesn't always run straight off the hook or swivel. When I started guiding, I started using the Uni Knot, and it's the ticket. It's the only knot I use now for leaders and main lines to hooks, jigs, and swivels. It's fast, simple, and I've never had it fail. Let me show you exactly how to tie the Uni Knot and why I trust it over everything else. Okay, so to tie the Uni Knot, I'm going to demonstrate it here with this this hook and this 20-pound Power Pro braid. So the first thing you're going to do is take the line up through the hole of the hook. You can pull the tag end down, give yourself maybe 5-6 inches, and then you're going to make a loop in the line so that you've got like a number 6 here in the line. So you can see that number 6. Then you're going to take the tag end and you're going to bring it back through the hole. I bring it back 3 times. If you have lighter line, you may want to put an extra wrap, 4 or 5 wraps in it. Using 20-pound braid and 20-pound fluorocarbon, I have never had a problem with it just wrapping 3 times. And now we're going to cinch it down on the hook. And notice how the line comes straight off the top of the hook. And then you've got this loose tag end here. And you can snip that off with your scissors or clips. And that knot right there has never failed me. It's that fast and that easy to tie. Good luck, tight lines. And if you want to see the knot I use to connect braid to fluorocarbon, watch this video here.